Hadin ka jing persya jung ki babun habayade bat ka jing Pynïaid ya ka Tura Medical College da ka PPP mod ka Sorkar jala ha ka bakhadu kalarai ban Pynïaid bat Shimti hino ya ka hospital Sorkar ni ka government medical college ha ka jala habayathu ya ka new menteri ka tanat health and family welfare ba wailan miki shala uloong ba ka Sorkar ka nomlet shu da ka PPP mod tar hadu bala yo ka jing shania na ki ba.
As you know that the government is for the people, so that's why we won't go for like until unless the people are confident on it. So that's why we have decided that we will even Tura also will go like with government college. So it will be a government college. So we'll very soon we'll start the recruitment of faculty. But that itself is kind of a challenge. But still, for the sake of our people, we'll go ahead for the for the recruitment of the faculty.
So construction work is completed?
Yeah, almost completed.
Percentage wise?
Yes, I cannot give you exactly because I have not able to visit that site. But from the what I get to learn from this past 1 month that most of the construction it's done. There are few part left with the hospital part.
So when are you conducting an inspection to the Tura?
Very soon. I really like eager to go that site also, but it's just like I said that health department, as you know, is a very vast department, and at the same time sports since of the coming of the national game. So I'm trying to review as much as I can to get to know the picture. So very soon as I'm settled in, then I'll travel to Garo Hills.